Have you ever wondered what it's like to immerse yourself in the unique culture of the Redneck Yacht Club, especially during their November 2019 event? Let's delve into the vibrant atmosphere of this gathering, focusing on the infamous Titty lane, and understand what makes it a notable aspect of the festivities. What is the Redneck Yacht Club, and what events do they host? The Redneck Yacht Club, located in Punta Gorda, Florida, is a renowned off-road park that hosts various events throughout the year, attracting enthusiasts of mudding, off-roading, and outdoor festivities. Their gatherings often feature live music, camping, and a range of off-road activities, creating a festival-like environment for attendees. What is Titty Lane, and why is it significant during these events? Titty Lane refers to a particular area within the Redneck Yacht Club where attendees often engage in uninhibited celebrations, including flashing and other adult-themed activities. This section has gained notoriety for its wild atmosphere, drawing both curiosity and criticism. What transpired during the November 2019 event at Titty Lane? In November 2019, the Redneck Yacht Club hosted one of its signature events, during which Titty Lane saw heightened activity. Attendees participated in exuberant celebrations, with many engaging in the lane's traditional revelries. Uncut videos from this event circulated online, showcasing the raw and unfiltered nature of the festivities, sparking discussions about the boundaries of public decency and personal freedom. What are the implications of such uncut videos being shared online? The circulation of uncut videos from Titty Lane raises concerns about privacy, consent, and the potential for reputational harm. Individuals captured in these videos may not have anticipated or agreed to widespread public exposure, leading to ethical debates about filming and sharing content from such events. How has the Redneck Yacht Club addressed the activities on Titty Lane and the sharing of related content? The management of the Redneck Yacht Club has implemented policies to balance the free-spirited nature of their events with safety and respect for all attendees. They encourage responsible behavior and remind participants to be mindful of consent and the potential consequences of their actions being recorded and shared publicly. What should attendees consider when participating in areas like Titty Lane at such events? Attendees should be aware of the environment and the likelihood of being recorded. It's essential to practice respectful behavior, obtain consent before filming others, and consider the potential long-term impacts of actions taken during the event. In conclusion, the November 2019 Titty Lane experience at the Redneck Yacht Club highlights the complexities of modern festivities, where personal freedom intersects with public exposure. As participants and viewers, it's crucial to navigate these spaces with awareness and respect for all involved. For a deeper understanding of the event's atmosphere, you might consider viewing related content online, keeping in mind the importance of ethical consumption and sharing of such media. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into unique cultural events and the discussions they inspire.